Welcome to Light of Knowledge Mind, Body, Spirit. This channel is a sanctuary for curious minds and open hearts. Here, we explore the wisdom that connects mind, body, and spirit, bringing together timeless traditions, modern science, and everyday practices that enrich life. Our mission is simple: to inspire clarity of thought, harmony of body, and depth of spirit. Each video is designed to enlighten, uplift, and empower you to live with greater balance, purpose, and peace. From meditations and mindful living tips to reflections on philosophy, wellness, and personal growth, you'll find content that nourishes both the intellect and the soul. Join our community of seekers, thinkers, and dreamers. Subscribe and allow yourself to grow in knowledge, presence, and inner strength. Because true light is not found outside of us, it shines from within. The benefits of zinc supplementation in human nutrition. Zinc is an essential trace element that plays a pivotal role in numerous physiological and biochemical processes within the human body. It functions as a cofactor for more than 300 enzymes involved in DNA synthesis, protein metabolism, cellular repair, and immune system regulation. Because the body lacks specialized zinc storage mechanisms, maintaining adequate dietary intake or supplementation is crucial to sustaining optimal health. One of the primary benefits of zinc supplementation is its contribution to immune function. Zinc supports the development and activation of lymphocytes, enhances macrophage and neutrophil activity, and modulates inflammatory responses. Clinical evidence has demonstrated that sufficient zinc intake reduces the duration and severity of respiratory infections, while deficiencies are associated with increased susceptibility to infectious diseases. This immunomodulatory role is especially important in children, the elderly, and individuals with compromised immunity. In addition to immune defense, zinc is vital for growth and development. Adequate zinc levels are required for cell proliferation, skeletal maturation, and reproductive health. Supplementation has been shown to improve linear growth in children with marginal deficiencies and to support wound healing by accelerating tissue repair processes. Moreover, zinc plays a role in maintaining skin integrity, making it relevant in the management of conditions such as acne and chronic ulcers. Zinc is also critical for neurological function and cognitive performance. It influences neurotransmission, synaptic plasticity, and brain development, with emerging evidence suggesting its role in modulating mood and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative disorders. Furthermore, zinc contributes to sensory functions, including taste and smell, as well as to maintaining vision through its involvement in retinal metabolism. From a nutritional perspective, zinc supplementation can help bridge dietary gaps, particularly in populations where zinc bioavailability is reduced due to high phytate consumption from cereal-based diets. Supplementation is also beneficial for individuals with increased physiological demands, such as pregnant women, athletes, and patients with chronic diseases that impair absorption or increase zinc losses. In conclusion, zinc supplementation represents a safe and effective strategy to support immune defense, growth, neurological function, and overall metabolic balance. Given its broad biological importance and the risks associated with deficiency, zinc should be regarded as a cornerstone micronutrient in nutritional health promotion. Thank you for joining us on Light of Knowledge Mind, Body, Spirit. Remember, every moment of learning, reflection, and practice brings you closer to harmony within yourself and connection with the world around you. Knowledge is not just information, it is transformation, a light that guides the mind, strengthens the body, and uplifts the spirit. If you found inspiration here, we invite you to become part of our growing community. Subscribe, share this space with others, and let us continue this journey together. May your days be filled with clarity, health, and inner peace until we meet again in the next video.